Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to change the rear tire on my motorcycle because it has done with its life, and you can see the condition of the rear tire. All the radial wires are also seen. I noticed this yesterday when I was cleaning the air filter box on this motorcycle. That's when I saw that the rear tire is completely done. I will have to replace it. So my motorcycle is done with 25,777 kilometers. The first tire I changed at 13,500 kilometers, and this tire did 12,000 kilometers. So I will have to replace the tire. Which tire I am going for, you will get to see in this video, and also the price, where am I buying it from. So you don't want to miss any part of this video, and hence let's get started with the video. I am done with my work. I am leaving from office, and currently the time is 3:40 p.m. So let's head towards the tire shop. Google Map states it will take 1 hour 4 minutes for me. The destination is 19 kilometers away, and I also have to fuel up my bike. There is no range showing on the console. So the stock tire on this motorcycle is TVS Eurogrip Protorque Extreme. When I did the first change last year, I went for the same tire, and today let's see what tire I get. And yeah, these tires does not last long because it is a soft compound tire. The softer the tire, the better performance, but low life. But if you go for the hard compound tires, you will get a lot more number of kilometers on those, but the performance get compromised. With this tire, I am able to corner at high speeds as well. Previously, I have used the Metzlers and Michelin Pilot Street on my KTM Duke 390. Even those were very good tires. But when I experienced the Protorque Extreme, I felt this is better than all of those tires, and it comes in at a budget. Let me cross all the city traffic, then I will see you at the tire shop. I have reached Ramkoti, and I think after 70 meters on the right side I'll arrive at the shop. So this is nothing but the same shop where I purchased my first rear tire, if you remember that shop. It's a very good shop, and whenever I need any support with respect to tires, they are available. So I just gave a call to them, and I came here. So this is the shop. So it's Laxmi Auto Sales. This is in Ramkoti. Guys, this is the tire that I'm purchasing. It's a Eurogrip Protorque Extreme, and so it says April 2025. This is a April 2025 tire. We are going to the mechanic shop over here to get this installed. So installation is extra, and whatever amount I have paid over here, I have got a huge discount on it. And if you want to purchase the same tire, you can come at this store. This is Laxmi Auto Sale. I'll also put the link in the description section down below, so that you can come and visit this shop. So let's go ahead. I'll unwrap it and then show you the tire clearly. The manufacturing date is also mentioned on the tire. Once I unwrap it, I'll show it to you guys. It's always better to go for machine fitting because hand fitting might damage the rims. I think he's the पहचान है. पहले भी ये टायर आप ही बिठाए थे. ज़्यादा टाइम ना हुआ. हाँ, किलोमीटर हो गया. नहीं, 6 महीना हुआ. 6 months. हाँ, किलोमीटर चल गया ना, उसमें वायर आ गया, देखो. हाँ. They have immediately started the unmounting process, and this guy does it very quickly. So the tire is out, and they used 2 car jacks in order to hold the swing arm in place. This is really cool, and एक बार दिखाओ भैया टायर दिखाओ वीडियो में दिखाना है you can look at the condition of this tire it is so bad this is the reason why I am going for a replacement ठीक है So this is the new tire. It says 5 years manufacturing warranty, Protorque Extreme 150/60 ZR17, 6 months of extended warranty, and April 2025 is a manufacturing date. New tire is being installed on the rim. The air is filled on the new tire and now it's time to install the wheel. This tire looks really cool and you can see the condition of the chain because I got it cleaned day before yesterday at Dynamic Riders. It is super clean. You can see the new tire is installed and everything is done. Now it's time to remove the bike from here and take it back home. So that's about it I had for you guys in this channel. If you found it helpful, do give it a thumbs up and also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is prakashsuraj17 and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is free for you but it definitely helps me a lot. With that, I will sign off from this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.